So let's take a real-time look at downtown Missoula on a Saturday morning when we have not one but two farmers markets happening along Higgins Street. One here by the X's, and the other one under the Caras Street Bridge. I actually was at the Caras Street Bridge farmers market earlier, and now here at the other market. So I'm heading back towards the Higgins Street Bridge, and it's really, really quiet for the time of day. It's getting close to 11 a.m. It's just dead. It's surprisingly quiet. In the next 3 or 4 weekends, with Labor Day coming and then homecoming eventually, and Grizz football happening, I mean, there's going to be thousands of people descending on downtown Missoula on any given Saturday. And it's a great place to be. You see Worden's Market under the blue canopy on the right. If you were to go further to the right, you're at the parking lot for the Iron Horse, just right over there. You got the old post to the right of Worden's, and just a quintessential downtown intersection. So I'm just gonna go ahead and meander up Higgins once this light goes ahead and changes, and we'll just kind of see what's happening, using a gimbal to do my best to kind of just show you in real time what it would be like to take a hot lap downtown Missoula on a beautiful late summer Saturday morning. Just went by Charlie B's, some other fun stuff in this area. There's some art for sale at this little market, and then also on the right there's more vendors setting up and selling art. You've got the sushi place right there, kind of a full, did my best to do a 360 view for you here. On the right, you can see the Oxford. Under that tent, there's always something ridiculous going on at the Oxford. That place actually used to sell brains and eggs on the menu. Leave a comment if you've ever had brains and eggs at the Oxford. Little trivia, there was another dance hall in the back of the Ox years ago, but we don't need to talk about that at the moment. Yeah, so just heading forward towards Broadway, past the Faruqi's. Man, that place has been there for a while. Plunk wine bar with some rooftop stuff going on. And here's the corner of Broadway and Higgins. Some things have changed, and a lot of it has certainly stayed the same. Coming up on the right, the River City Roots Festival is happening this weekend, so the street's shut down. Some fun stuff going on there with free music. It's definitely a festival worth checking out. It's free. Catalyst, favorite breakfast place, great food. Onto the Florence building, our little Art Deco hub of Missoula. And then you see kind of the majestic Wilma. We just passed it on the right. But importantly, on the left here is the Missoula Mercantile building. It's now a hotel, series of restaurants, and just a neat little corner here, with certainly some legacy buildings and architecture. You can see that the bridge is still under repair, but people are coming from the People's Market under the bridge and walking around. You see the Wilma Theater coming up on the right, and the entrance to the Wilma. Caras Park just got some new adornments, some new lawn jewelry, some shade, the Seahawks colors for whatever reason. You've got Brennan's Wave on the right. The river's low because it's August, and it's been a hot one. You see just people walking over the bridge. We got Boone and Crockett coming up, and you'll see the flag there for Boone and Crockett. Neat little building. We're probably gonna take a right here on what they call the hip strip, and maybe we'll just continue on forward, and we'll take a right as we go past Chow Mambo and approach La Petite, considering getting a really nice Americano and a baguette at La Petite, and winding it down. That's kind of the hot lap around Missoula. There's the bakery. We're going to go ahead and take a left here, and the Kettle House tasting room, the original tasting room. I believe this is Myrtle Street, is right here. And that concludes our tour.